Hi friends, welcome back to Baran Creations Art, Craft and Cooking. After a long time, I'm here with a new video on embroidery, that is how to put lazy daisy stitch. If you know how to put chain stitch, then it is very easy to put this stitch. You can watch my video on how to put chain stitch. I have provided the link in the description box below. So to put this lazy daisy stitch, I have taken 6 strands of thread. Draw a circle and inside it draw a small circle. Now insert the thread from below, pull it up, then insert it below, then pull this up. You can see the position of the needle. Then pull this and insert it down. I hope you can understand this. So I will show you once again. See, first insert the thread below and then pull it up. Okay, then pull this. After that, insert it below. Repeat the same process. It is very easy to do. Please try it, and if you like this video, hit thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.